Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artists Buju Banton, Sizzla Kalonji and dancehall artist Mavado have their first entry on the Billboard Reggae Digital Song Sales Chart with DJ Khaled's track Holy Mountain. The track, which also features rapper 070 and samples One Spliff a Day, a 1981 recording by Billy Boyer, debuted #1 this week. Holy Mountain is one of the tracks on DJ Khaled's album Father of Assad, which debuted at #2 on the latest Billboard 200 albums chart. Holy Mountain is currently number 99 on the Canadian Hot 100 chart. Banton, Sizzla and Mavado have had songs on the Billboard Hot 100 R&B and hip-hop songs charts. Banton charted with the Champion back in 1995, Drive in 2007, and To Make My Day in 1993. Sizzla's sole entry was Come Fly With Me, a collaboration with Foxy Brown, which peaked at number 45 back in 2005. While Mavado has started twice with Wedemagadu, number 27 in 2006, and So Special, number 52 in 2009.
Right through the gates of hell, when that wretched soul that live a life of evil, out of control, tormented soul.
Now, reggae sensation Koffee has inked a deal with Los Angeles-based creative arts agency for representation in North and South America. The talent and sports agency is known for working with a number of big names in the music and entertainment industry, including Kanye West, Beyonce, Lil Wayne, Ariana Grande, and Mariah Carey. Koffee has been enjoying a number of successes since the release of her 5-track EP Rapture. The set, released by Promised Land Recordings and Columbia Records in March, topped the Billboard Reggae Albums chart in that very month. That feat made her the youngest Jamaican to reach #1 on the chart. Koffee also recently won 3 International Reggae and World Music Awards in the categories of Best Female Vocalist, Best Teen Entertainer, and Best New Entertainer. Koffee is set to perform at the Austin City Limits Music Festival this October. Now, on the international scene, rapper and entrepreneur Jay-Z is officially hip-hop's first billionaire. Jay-Z has built an empire based on music, property, fashion, and investments. The U.S. magazine Forbes has estimated that the rapper's wealth now conservatively totals $1 billion. According to Forbes, the billionaire rapper Jay-Z and husband of Beyonce has succeeded because he has built brands rather than just to endorse them. In its rankings, Forbes rejected claims that rapper and producer Dr. Dre was the first hip-hop star to reach the billionaire status. Jay-Z, born Sean Carter, grew up in one of New York City's most notorious areas. He hit fame in 1996 with his debut album Reasonable Doubt. His 2001 album The Blueprint was in March added to the Library of Congress National Recording Registry because it was deemed culturally, historically, and aesthetically significant. Jay-Z appeared on the front cover of the Forbes magazine alongside another billionaire, Warren Buffett. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.